Add the chocolate into the melted butter, add in the cream, and then we're going to give that a stir up, pop it into the microwave, and then when it is all melted, we're just going to pop it to one side. Be careful not to burn it, but make sure it goes fluid. Now we're going to go in with the gold. So we're adding the gold to the melted butter and the cream and repeating the process again. Then once they've both cooled but not started to set, I'm just pouring the milk Callebaut chocolate across the top of my cake that's come out of the fridge and is lovely and cold. And then I'm going to go over the top again with the gold, and this creates a lovely effect. I'm just giving it a tap. Be careful it doesn't fall off that tub. And then I'm going back around the sides because you can see that it's not all gone down. So then I'm going to take a scraper and move it all around and just distribute all of that ganache. Now I am taking from the bottom and filling in all of those spaces just so that I've got a complete work surface to work with. Keep going back around with the scraper so it levels out. Look at the shine coming off this. It really is absolutely gorgeous. Then I am just taking little bits more and any little air pockets or holes, just filling those in and going back round. Again, I love this effect. It's almost leopard skin. It's so gorgeous. Then we're going to take the top part, and this has got a little bit of a dome where we've poured. So I'm just brushing, or I should say, I'm just going over the top, and then I'm going in a little bit heavier just to lift off the middle part that's bulging up a little bit. Then come in around the sides, and we're just going to create that really smooth top. Then I've got another scraper, and I'm just going around the bottom, take all that excess off and pop it onto a board, and we can decorate properly. Go around with the scraper, again, fill in any parts that you need. And then we're going to scrape around again, and you can really see this coming together now, and the effect is just beautiful. So there we are. That's the sides all finished. Go into the top. Just to get it really smooth, just take your palette knife right to the edge and push down towards that edge, and you'll get that lovely smooth finish. Finish it off with a final scrape just to lift up those edges, and then we're going to go in with a knife, and we are just going to really steadily cut off that top part to create that super sharp edge. Now I've made my gold drip with Callebaut, and all the ingredients are in the description box, and this is beautiful. So when people ask, how do you get gold drip? Just use Callebaut gold. The colour is stunning. The shine is absolutely beautiful, and the consistency is perfect. So this is a massively brilliant drip. So there we go. You can see there, that's come down gorgeous on the cold cake. Then I am just putting the rest across the top and smoothing out very slowly. You don't want to knock anything over the top, but it is a little bit thicker than what milk chocolate would be. So there we are. All the edges are in, and then I'm going to do that swirl. So just take my knife right to the edge and spin around and keep going, pulling the knife in, just letting the table do the work. Once you get to the middle, lift, and I've decorated this as a loaded cake.